Thomas, say hi to Daddy. Hello, Daddy. No, he's not here. He's not. We're gonna send him the video. Hi, Dad. Say love you, Dad. I'm watching Family Matters. And Nick. Thomas. Thomas. Oh. Say hello, Dad. Oh, Dad, 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 Dad. Dad, 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 Dad. Oh. Ay, 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 ay. So big. So big. Say have a good day at work, Dad. I love you. Say have a good day at work, Dad. I love you. I'm gonna miss you. Bye, Dad. We love you.